This should work. I copied everything. Everything. This should make the robots. So I just need to close this and we wait for the robot. Just throw some glasses while it's at it. I am a robot. Sigma toilet, Sigma, Skibidi toilet, Rizzler, toilet, Sigma toilet, Sigma toilet. Oh no, he's gonna kill me! Make more robots. Ha 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 ha. We will now take over the world. I don't know what to do. I just here with a small table, some chest tubes above that I don't even know what to craft. Blah blah blah, blue blue blue, blah 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 blah. Linggang guli guli guli, watch a linggangu, linggangu, linggang guli guli guli, watch a linggangu, linggangu. We are robots, ha! We will going to invade this city. Wait, I just got a message on my phone. Hold up. I have a message on my phone. Stop the conversation. It says, robots are invading town. Nah, that's a funny joke. Now look at it. Oh my god! Robots are invading! Sell the others! Sell dragon fruit and crab! On it!
Justin talaga to. Aba. Apay ka pero maapay ka.
The robots are invading! Oh my god! Hey, Apple, the robots are invading. What? Why this? What the heck? No?
Namaran mo, kunin mo yan dyan. Malinis ba yan?
Yeah.
Short?
Yeah. Everyone here! Robots are invading! Oh my Sigma toilet! Skibidi wayo Riz! Wow! What?
Dapat mapawis mo sa labas.
Oh my god! I don't know what I clicked. Wait. Where did Pumpkin just go? I don't even know. He just disappeared out of nowhere. Okay. I'm back. What the freaks?
You are gay. Is that true? Are you gay?
No.
Yes?
Follow me. I will show you. We are robots. We are robots. We are moving slowly. I don't want to walk anymore. Let's just fly. We're just flying. Oh, there goes your tower. Watch it crumble. Feel the power. Wow, what happened? happened to him? He turned into a robot. Robots are here. Kill it! Kill it! Yes, sir. Take this. Blech. Let's go. But can't we just stay here and lock the thingy? Right. Everyone, come up here. This is the safe base. Bring your water, food, and everything ASAP. I'm coming. Apple, you coming? No, I'll just stay here. But you'll die! All the food is up there. I'll just drink my test tube. Okay, wait, what? We are here. Ouch! Ah! I'm falling. I'll just stay here. I'm coming. Blah 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 blah. You have to go up there. That is the safe base, and I'm very injured. Can you give me a regen? Thank you. Now let's go. I'm gonna break your jar if you don't. Don't do that. Alright, we are here. This is the safe base. Did everyone bring the food? Yep. I stored everything in my pocket. What? You stored everything in your pocket. I have 2 water sources. I have 4 tomato cans. I have a tree. I have 2 apples. I have 3 melon. I add another apple. We're gonna stay here for the rest of our lives. And also, by the way, you need to lock the thing. Okay. Oh, my legs! Ah! Alright, you have a regen. We're gonna stay here for the rest of our lives. Alright.